Contrast is key when choosing Egi colors to catch more squid. Imagine how difficult it would be to see someone in the dark wearing black clothing. It would be easy if you have infrared vision. Squid don't see in infrared, though if you use the right contrasting color they see it just as easy. The glow Egi is green, though squid see white. They can be charged via a black light or torch and usually glow for a minute or two. Great for night where there is no light. Neon bright Egi uses UV rays to reflect light. They don't hold charge like glow Egis. They use light to supercharge the UV paint. Squid see by focusing differently to humans. Their attention's drawn to contrast. They're focusing on the Egi and the background becomes blurred. To make this easier to see, use opposing colors that contrast the environment. Color loss isn't just vertical, it is horizontal as well. If a squid is 5 meters away from your Egi in any direction, it will appear dull and lack contrast as this display shows. Within 5 meters it has lost all color and is now a black silhouette against the black weeds and bottom. Those squid are colored blind in the sense we see color. It is believed they detect color by seeing wavelengths. Each color has a different wavelength, while red is longer and ultraviolet is shorter. The atmosphere is curved. This affects the way wavelengths penetrate through the atmosphere. Due to the curvature, only long wavelengths make it through. This is from first light until the sun has risen 3 degrees. Every 3 degrees is 15 minutes. From 3 degrees to 6 degrees, the next 15 minutes orange and yellow start to penetrate the atmosphere. At 6 degrees, 30 minutes after sunrise, all wavelengths are now starting to penetrate through the atmosphere. If you haven't already put it together, you roughly have 1 hour after first light where red-colored Egis are potentially the best color to use. Don't forget to factor in the first hour the sun's elevation, brightness of the day, clear or cloudy sky. You should also be factoring in the water clarity. This goes for dusk as well. It is just in reverse with the same time frame as dawn. Last 30 minutes before the sun sets, until last light. Thereafter is a completely different kettle of fish. Squid can go off the bite. Slowly they will return to hunting and be the predator they are known to be. During the hours of darkness, you will need to follow the few simple rules there are, in regard to color choice. Fishing from a pier that has lights. Black is great to use as it creates a silhouette against the lights on the pier. White can also work very well in these conditions. This is due to the opposite effect where the light of the pier is shining onto the white Egi, making it contrast against the bottom. If you are fishing where there are no lights, the glow-in-the-dark, Egi, will be most effective. The ability to create its own light is key for creating contrast in the water. Keep in mind, this is not an exact science. What you are trying to achieve in any water clarity, time of day and brightness of the sun UV light, is contrast. This is the single most important part of choosing colors.